Okay, so that's recording. Tristan,
Yes.
how are you feeling right now? Are you good?
I feel ecstatic. I've never felt this happy in my life.
Perfect. What is different today than from the day that you got here?
Before I arrived here, I had a tremendous amount of questions, just questions, and no answers. And I did research and I tried therapy and just still had so many questions. And plant medicine was something that I've always wanted to experience. And I did my research, and Arkana kept being referred to me as the place to go for plant medicine and healing. And when I arrived here, I didn't know what to expect, but what I got out of it was better than I could have ever imagined. I knew I was going to have a positive experience here. I knew that it was going to be enlightening. I knew that it was going to be healing, but I didn't know that it was going to be this transformative. I feel like as if I went through years of therapy in 1 week, and it's been so life-changing. And I not only witnessed terrifying moments, but I also witnessed the most beautiful, awe-inspiring moments of my entire life. I haven't cried this much in my entire existence, and I haven't smiled this much in my entire life as well.
What would you tell someone that's hesitant to try ayahuasca?
I understand that fear. I had a lot of fear coming into the ceremonies as well. But once I did take that plunge, I realized that I made the right decision. I will not regret anything that I've done here. Even the moments that were frightening made me better. And I believe that anyone who is hesitant to come here should just do their research and see the glowing reviews that come from this center, the amazing facilitators and staff, and the maestro and maestra, and the way this organization is run. I don't think you're going to find a better environment, because the environment is so important when it comes to plant medicine. Anyone can give you plant medicine, but the environment means so much to the experience as well.
Are there any experiences that stand out to you or that you feel like sharing?
My Sapo experience, I was terrified of Sapo, and I couldn't sleep the night before. I knew I came out here intending to try Sapo, but when the time came, I froze and I freaked myself out. I was so scared, and I had never been so afraid to do something in my entire life. And once I saw the encouragement from the staff and also my peers here, they prompted me to just give it a try, and it ended up being the most life-changing experience of my life. Sapo was the moment where I felt just complete bliss, happiness, understanding, thankfulness, humbleness. It was the most amazing experience of my entire life, that moment.